Hey guys, once again we're bringing you the best tech products you can buy. You'll definitely appreciate talking to a Jedi and listening to a Transformers head. Then we have something special for steampunk fans and a deadly weapon against air pollution. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Let's go! This amazing Lego kit is mostly meant for adults, especially for those who still remember the original Batwing aircraft from the 1989 movie. It consists of almost 2,400 pieces, which might be a bit challenging for beginners. This model is full of realistic details like the removable canopy, adjustable flaps, and full interior. It's mainly black, but there are some bright elements here and there. The designers also managed to add a special brick that allows hanging the model on the wall. Thanks to a complex locking system, there's no chance to knock it off accidentally. Or you can put the model on the stand with that nice nameplate on it. In addition, the kit includes 3 authentic figures of Batman, Joker, and Lawrence the Boombox Goon. What a nice company. Do you think you know everything about the Star Wars universe? Then try to beat this Jedi Holocron. Just think about any Star Wars being, location, and technology, and the Holocron will try to read your mind. Its smart algorithm includes tons of information from the first 6 episodes, but it can only ask up to 20 questions. Just press the buttons, yes or no, to answer them. If it still has no clue, you win. The toy's equipped with a large display and a set of buttons for easy controls. The integrated LEDs make it glow with blue light, so this device will be a great room accessory. This incredible display called World Eye looks extremely similar to the Palantir from The Lord of the Rings. It's a dome-shaped screen that may serve as a futuristic globe or aquarium. However, with a variety of input options, the possibilities are much broader. Using the USB interface, you can easily play your own content, including movies and photo galleries. Sci-fi documentaries should look especially great, plus the HDMI port allows you to connect your laptop or mobile device directly to the display. Look how someone actually turned it into a huge eye. The included remote control makes it easy to navigate through your content, adjust the settings, and even zoom in photos. Installation is super simple. Put the eye on the stand and plug it in. Definitely more user-friendly than the Palantir. The problem with virtual money is that it can be hacked or stolen, but these coins will help you. They allow you to keep your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies in cold storage. This way, your money isn't visible online for anyone, but you can still use and manage it as usual. Each coin has a laser-engraved QR code which you can easily access from a mobile app to import the coin into your wallet. Then you can safely transfer the money right away. Since the coins are made of hard copper, they're both fire and water resistant. Here's a perfect room accessory for every Star Wars fan. This is a levitating Death Star model. Not only does it float above the magnetic base, but it rotates completely on its own. And it's a powerful Bluetooth speaker. 4 LED lights on the base make it easier to balance once it starts floating, and you can charge your devices with a built-in USB port. This smartphone has recently made a lot of noise, and that's for good reason. Galaxy Z Flip was one of the first smartphones in the world to feature a foldable design. The point is to make huge screens fit in our pockets like they used to. So Z Flip is equipped with a 6.7-inch AMO LED display that just folds in half. And then there's a tiny cover display for notifications and some quick actions. Also, the tight hinge allows this laptop-like mode, which should be cool for video calls. As for the specs, the phone boasts Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 3,300 mAh battery. There's a 5G version as well. Guess this is just the start. This isn't a fancy high-tech gadget, it's just a pen. It turns out that this really unusual flat design might be much more comfortable than the standard cylinder pens. It's also really easy to carry and won't slip off the table. On top of that, the pen features premium and super durable aluminum design. There's a titanium version as well. The symmetrical profile makes this pen equally suitable for right and left-handed use. Ink actuation is really simple, so you won't need to use both hands. Changing the refill is also just a matter of seconds. The pen's compatible with a wide range of D1 stylish refills. Now you only have to choose the color. If you're wondering how small a quality speaker can possibly get, here's the answer. This speaker is so tiny you can actually wear it on your wrist. so it makes a wonderful fitness accessory suitable for joggers, hikers, cyclists, and so on. The gadget is also waterproof, so walking in the rain or chilling at the poolside is of no concern. Despite the ridiculous size, the speaker's roughly 2 times louder than an average smartphone. You'll be able to hear it within a 120-foot range. Naturally, it connects to any of your devices via Bluetooth. Moreover, the built-in microphone allows you to answer calls without the need to stop your workout. The adjustable strap will fit pretty much any wrist size. Finally, this tiny speaker runs up to 10 hours. Hair loss and thinning hair. These are 2 issues that most men and some women have to face at certain periods of time. This gadget is designed to solve these problems in the easiest possible way. It uses laser therapy to stimulate hair follicles and encourage hair growth. There are 82 medical-grade lasers packed inside a compact and lightweight body. The gadget weighs about 6 ounces, so it won't press too hard. Besides, you'll have to turn it on just for 90 seconds 3 times a week. Yep, it's that quick. Another important element is the hair parting teeth. They free up some space so that lasers can reach the follicles. You really should give this thing a try. And here's something special for Transformer fans. This Optimus Prime model features a very realistic and fascinating look, especially with its LED-enabled eyes that can glow in the dark when your Transformer wakes up. That's nice. But you know what? This is a full-size Bluetooth speaker. With 3 watts output power and rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, you get up to 12 hours of playtime. And the Bluetooth range is about 32 feet. Of course, you can connect it using a cable as well, or even play FM radio. The Transformer weighs only about a pound, so you can easily carry it any place you like. You can't really see the air you breathe, but what you can see is the pollution level of the air you breathe. All you need is this compact gadget that'll travel with you everywhere. It uses a laser-based particle sensor which measures the precise amount of different contaminants. The result is clearly visible on the bright and colorful touchscreen. Aside from real-time measurements, the gadget saves the data for up to 30 days. It works completely on its own and doesn't require a special app or any subscription. This thing is especially helpful for those who suffer from chronic respiratory diseases. Or you can put one at home and it'll tell you when the room needs ventilation. With multiple mounting options, you can attach the gadget to your bike and running strap or use it in the car. The included dock is perfect for home use and also provides seamless charging. Now this watch is definitely much cheaper, but no less impressive. It stands out with a steampunk design featuring this weathered brass look along with a leather strap. In fact, the case is made of sturdy stainless steel. The watch includes a 1-inch main dial and a small one for the seconds. The tube-style LEDs on top glow with red light and remind of the first electric bulbs. You're free to turn the light on and off with a single switch. The watch also comes with a nice winding key that neatly hides in the strap. Just be careful not to lose it.